Hello students, in this video we'll solve problems on polynomials from exercise 2.5 of the NCERT book, and we are on the 8th question, which says factorize each of the following. Our first problem is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square plus 6ab square. So this is of the a plus b whole cube form, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we'll have to bring this problem in this form. So let us do that. 2a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b whole cube plus 12a square b can be written as 3 into a square. So a is 2a, so 2a whole square, and b is just b, plus 3 into a b square, so this b whole square. And now we can write this entire thing as 2a plus b the whole cube, or 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Okay, so this was in the a plus b whole cube form, wherein the right hand side part was given and we have to find the left hand side. Okay, let's solve the next problem. Next problem is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is in the a minus b whole cube form, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let's bring this problem in this identity form. 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube can be written as minus b raised to cube, and 12a square b can be written as minus 3 into a into b, 3a square b, so square will come over here, plus 3ab square. So this will be 2a minus b the whole cube, which can be written as 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. This is the answer. Our next problem is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Now we can, first thing we need to do is to rearrange this polynomial in descending power form, that is the power of the indices should decrease. So starting with or beginning with a cube, so it will be minus 125a cube, I'm just rewriting the whole thing, plus 225a square followed by minus 135a followed by plus 27. So all that I have done is rearrange them based on their powers. So if the power of the variable over here or the index is 3, then it is 2, 1 and 0. Okay, now we can solve this thing. Okay, now if you have a look, you will wonder as to which form will it actually go into. So if we can just rearrange this thing, we should be able to get the problem. Like for example, we'll take negative sign common, and if we take negative sign common, whatever is negative becomes positive, whatever is positive becomes negative. So minus 125a cube will become positive 125a cube, positive 225a square will become minus 225a square, negative 135a will become positive 135a, and positive 27 will become minus 27. Why have we done so? To get it into our identity form, and this falls in the a minus b cube form, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so over here it is the cube form is over here, so this is as good as saying a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube. Okay. Okay, so the cube is come over here. So we'll take the minus sign common. 125 whole cube. 125. If you do not know, you can factorize what are the factors of 1. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 again, and the 5. So 5 cube. So 5 into a whole cube. 125a cube can be written as 5a whole cube minus, this will be 3a square b. So 3 into a, which is 5a square, and b is what? B will be 3, because 27, you can do it over here. Prime factors, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 3 cube. So 3 and 5 into 3 plus 3ab square. So a is 5a b square. So that is 3 whole square. And this will be minus 3 whole cube. Okay, you can check. 3 5s are 15, 15 into sorry, not 15, this is 25, 5 square. So 25 into 9 will give you 225, and over here 3 whole square gives you 9. 9 into 5 is 45. 45 into 3 will give you 135, and 3 cube gives you 27. So this whole thing can be written as minus 5a minus 3 the whole cube, with the negative sign outside. It can be written as negative 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 3. Okay, slightly different, where we had to rearrange the sign by taking the negative sign outside. It's just to little put you off, to confuse you, but don't get worried. We need to bring it into the identity form, which we did over here, and once we brought it in the identity form, it was easier to get the cubes. If in doubt, always look for the a cube and b cube form, or x cube minus y cube form, and get the factors using prime numbers, okay, to factorize. Once you do that, the rest will become easy. Next problem. So next problem is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108 ab square. So this is in a minus b, the whole cube form. So this 64 factorize. Okay, so what do we get? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16, 2 into 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we get 2 and 2, which is 4. So which means this is can be written as 4a whole cube. Okay, and then you have 27b cube, which we have just done. So you can put this as minus 3b whole cube, and this will be 3a square b. So 3 into a square b is 3b plus 3ab square. So 3ab square. So if you over here, if you multiply 4a square gives you 16a square. 16a square into 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 16 will give you 144a square b. And over here 3 square is 9, and 4 into 3 is 12. 12 9s is 108. 108 a b square. So we can write this as 4a minus 3b the whole cube. Can also be written as 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. Our next problem is 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4 p. So this is in a minus b whole cube form. So 27p cube can be written as 3p whole cube, and 216 we can find out the factors of 216. So we take this as 3 7s are 26, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so that would be 3, that would be 2. 3 into 2 6. So minus 1 upon 6 whole cube, and this will be minus 3a square b. So 3a is 3p, that's 3a square, and b is 1 upon 6, and this would be 3ab square. So 3a is 3p, b square would be 1 upon 6 whole square. In this, so if we once we get this form, we can directly write this as 3p minus 1 upon 6 whole cube, and this can be further written as 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6. Okay. So we finished the problems based on a plus b the whole cube form and a minus b whole cube form. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends and classmates, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to be notified when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.